It's the Unicorn Toy Unboxer. So today I'm going to be showing you my Easter bag slash basket. And my grandma's going to get it now. And I was at my dad's this weekend, so yeah, just a second. Anyways, guys, I was at my dad's this weekend, so I didn't get to celebrate Easter with them, with these guys, my actual brother and sister. I mean, I have a brother over there too, but
yeah, and I was really missed.
I was at my dad's for a week. So, anyways, so this weekend we're gonna celebrate Easter. I don't know what day this video is gonna go up. At my dad's, we're gonna celebrate Easter this weekend. So they got to open their baskets on Easter. I didn't do Easter until I'm not doing Easter, doing my basket. All right, I'm doing my basket now, but I'm doing my actual Easter at my dad's this weekend with my uncle and aunt over there. All right, so I think she's getting my bag now. Sorry, I'm just fiddling with my hair. I got this fidget cube, guys. If you guys don't know what a fidget cube is, I hope it's a fidget cube. It's pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, and I got my headphones.
We each got headphones.
Yeah, but Buddy got some too.
Yep.
And Nessa, right?
That was my uncle. Just ignore him. He's so annoying.
Yeah.
All right. Anyways, we're waiting. All right. See you guys when I get my basket.
Mighty please.
All right. So I got my Easter bag slash basket. I got this frisbee. I actually picked some of this stuff out for myself. I got this shovel. So I'll scoop you guys up. Got this little journal. It's cute. I think we were supposed to get it for Easter, but my grandma didn't get it for Easter. Oh, bath bombs, guys. There's nothing really in bath bombs.
They smell good.
Yeah, they smell good.
Oh.
We need that light on. I got 3,000 bubbles. Bubble sticks.
Share with you know who and you know who.
Yeah, I know. I have to share with my brother and sister. She can have the pink. I'm having the orange because the orange looks good. I'm saving this one for my brother, which is over there. Alright, so then I have these hair ties. You know, girls have to have hair ties. Alright, oh wait. And connector cards. Alright, and fancy things. Lip balm. Oh. Just kidding, I'm not doing that. And I got these little things. I don't know what they are. I think they're erasers. Yep, animal erasers. See guys. Got a giraffe and a horse. Still got the price tag on it. And a few things. Well, one. Another hair tie. And she put the wrong ones in here for me. This is actually mine, and I've actually had this one for a while, and this one's mine, but she mixed up mine with somebody else's. I'm gonna have a talk with her about that. Alright, so that was everything, and okay, so guys, stay tuned for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to be uploading a toy unboxing video, which we are toy unboxers, so stay tuned for that, and alright, I'll be back. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we're posting another video tomorrow. Bye!